The third point could be delegate and automate your task. Tim Ferriss says, never automate something that can be eliminated. Never automate something that can be eliminated, and never delegate something that can be automated or streamlined. If there is a thing that can be easily managed by a machine, it should be don't try to do everything by yourself and waste your precious time and energies. Another thing in the 4-hour work week teaches us is that start outsourcing your work. If there's a task that someone else can do for you better than you, wait for no further and delegate it immediately. For delegating tasks, hire a virtual personal assistant. This assistant will look at all the trivial and important tasks for you and will save you ample time to focus on things that matter. So the thing we must need to take away from this is never automate something that can be eliminated and never delegate something that can be automated. The fourth point could be cultivate the sense of selective ignorance. You have been working peacefully at your workstation and a small email pop-up appears. You are too tempted to check it instantly and you do. Now you are stuck in a continuous cycle of follow-ups. When adapting to the 4-hour work week, teach yourself to ignore all the unimportant or irrelevant interruptions. Don't check your social media again and again in the name of getting a break. So what is the takeaway from this point could be, you are tempted to check it instantly and you do. So just remember, you have to follow the cultivation of sense of selective ignorance. The fifth point could be making a to-do list. That is, make a to-do and not to-do list. Most of the times we only make a to-do list and summarize the stuff we need to do. But half of the times our list consists of things that do not necessarily need our attention. The principle of delegation fits here perfectly. Make a list of all the tasks that you can easily delegate to someone else, so that you can divert your attention towards more important tasks for the day. Now coming towards the other side of the coin.